It's the Laugh Doctor, and we've reached a milestone, and I want to thank all of you for helping me reach it. Well, now we have a new assignment. We need you all to send your best AEIOU, keep laughing, keep smiling videos to me, so you can be on the Laugh Doctor channel. Family, friends, grandkids, kids, daughters, sons, husbands, wives, neighbors, bosses, strangers, whoever. Just make a video and send it to me at my email address, marvinforeman@sbcglobal.net. MarvinForeman @sbcglobal.net. Send it to me. Let's make this thing happen together. Remember, keep laughing and keep smiling.